Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here today. Just a quick unboxing video for you from a watch from AliExpress. A watch brand I've had a couple of times before, including this Willard homage and also this tuna homage, which I happen to be wearing today. This is one of their newest ones. This is the FB0044. Get this off AliExpress. Let's take a look. It is very much inspired by some of the Citizen Promaster Marine diving watches. Now I went with the black one, and this is the watch. Now there's several different versions of this watch available. I'll put some of the others just up on the screen. Several colours, so it's definitely worth checking out. Link is in the description below. As you can see, it's a very distinctive style of watch that I believe Citizen do. I'm a Citizen fanboy, as you know. I've not really seen anybody else that really does this sort of case shape. I might be corrected if I am. Or if I'm wrong, just let me know in the comments below. And I went for the kind of stealth black version on the rubber strap. Now, this is currently about £20, just over $20. And as I say, it's the FB0044, a new one for 2023. Oh, it's a day date as well, so we've got a nice day hardlex crystal bezel, rotating bezel. Okay, clicky. Oh, a bit of back play in it, but it's a very distinctive style of watch. Now it is a big watch. It's 46mm in diameter, so anybody with a smaller wrist might find that a little bit too big. I'll try it on my wrist in just a second. But yeah, quartz. I went with the one with the rubber strap, but they do them with metal bracelets as well. I think in the black version. If you really want to be the ultimate big bling, there is a gold one as well. I mean, everybody's going to see that on your wrist, aren't they? As I say, this is quite new from Foxbox, a brand I've had before. Very popular videos, very popular brand. I will put a link to the Willard, as I say, in the corner. So all stainless steel, water resistant, 1853. Again, I've got a feeling that was more to do with the time than it was to do with the year it was created. It's all iron plated black. Very nice, very distinctive look. As I say, everybody's going to notice this on your wrist, especially if you go with that gold one, which is a thick watch though. Right, let's try it just on wrist. I'm going to take off the tuna homage here. We'll get that off. The rubber straps on these are really good. It looks like it's the same strap, to be fair. Right, let's pop that on. As I say, I went with the all black version, kind of the stealth version, but there are several different ones to go. And there we go. Now it's a 46mm watch. Actually, do you know what? That doesn't feel as big on the wrist as I thought it might well do. Really nice, very distinctive look. Great price. I'll put a link to in the description below. Now it is on offer at the moment in the Discovery sale, but you're always going to find this somewhere around $20. Really interesting look. I will make sure I get the review out for this soon. Thanks to everybody who's liked and subscribed and commented. Please like and subscribe. Now, if that isn't your type of watch, this one might be. This is one of my really popular videos. I'll put a link to that in the corner, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.